Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're making baked stuffed shrimp jalapeños. We're gonna take our jalapeños and cut them in half. Then we're gonna core, get the seeds out. And just using a spoon to help do that. You can also rinse them if you want to make sure that they're a little bit less hot than they naturally would be. Rinse off the peppers just to get any of the extra seeds off so nobody gets any surprise pops of heat. I'm gonna take an aluminum foil pan, it's covered. We're gonna lay these out and then we're gonna make up our mix while these kind of air dry a little bit from the rinse off. And when you're cutting these in half, you wanna try to cut them in a manner where they'll sit flat and not roll over in the oven so they dump their little contents all over the place. So we'll let those sit on the back. We're gonna take a pound of cream cheese. Now, if you want to, you can half this recipe. So we got our cream cheese, 1 pound. And then we got 1 pound of shredded cheese. It's just a sharp cheddar and a Colby shred. We're gonna add about half a cup of sliced green onions, 2 tablespoons of blacken redfish seasoning. We're gonna also add in our shrimp. They're already seasoned with a little blacken redfish and roughly chopped up just to make them a little bit smaller. So then we got about 4 garlic toes of garlic, or rough cut garlic toes, about 4 of them. You can add more if you like. We're gonna add in some chipotle and adobe. All right, we're gonna add in 1 juice of 1 lime squeezed. And we're gonna use this chipotle and garlic in another recipe. So that's why I didn't add the lime juice to it. 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna mix this all up. Or start it and probably mix it by hand because I'm impatient. But if you leave your cream cheese out for more than an hour, it'll get softer. And then that way it'll be easier to mix up. It smells so good. Smell the green onion and that chipotle with the garlic. Got a great smoky flavor to it. You can kind of roll it a little bit and then push it in there. Just try to make sure there's not a big clump of cream cheese that's not mixed up, like that little piece, and then you can kind of mix it up as you go. And you're gonna wanna bake this at 375 for about 30 minutes, or at least until the shrimp are done. And it's all nice and warm and soft. That's why we line our pan. With the aluminum foil so it doesn't, makes for an easier cleanup. You could even take this mixture and butterfly chicken breasts and stuff it in there and then bread it and fry it. Be really good too. So we're about 15 minutes into baking the peppers. Starting to look good. Here are the peppers right out of the oven. They look great. A little bit soft on the edges of the jalapeno. The shrimp are all cooked. They smell wonderful. Yeah, nice and good. We'll give them about 5 more minutes in the oven and then we'll plate them up. So we got our stuffed shrimp jalapenos with cream cheese and shredded cheese with a little bit of lime juice and pureed chipotle and garlic and a little bit of redfish seasoning in it. Creamy garlic, a little bit of smokiness from the chipotle. Wonderful appetizer.